Hi everyone, here I am again with another chapter out of U2. So today I'm going to read Focus on Ends Rather Than Means. You don't have to know how you're going to get there, but you need to know where you want to go. It is crucial to have a crystal clear picture of what you want to accomplish. Operate with a sharply defined mental image of the outcome you seek. Rivet your attention on that spot where you are to land at the end of your quantum leap. Visualize your arrival. When you do that, it's like you magnetize yourself to the ways and means involved in the methodology for getting there. The solution begins to appear. Answers come to you. If you start worrying about everything that will be involved in getting from here to there, you are bound to bog down in the questions about methodology. People always get hung up on the how-to aspects regarding a quantum leap. Skip it. The answers will come to you. And when they do, you probably will find them too simple, streamlined solutions. See, a quantum leap is a move you're already prepared to make. You just haven't done it yet. You have the potential, the resources are available, the opportunity is there. What has been missing is your decision to go for it. It's all making the decision. When you say, like with your heart connected to it, I am going to do that, this is what I'm doing, you make that decision consciously, that is in fact all the work. That's the hard work. You have the potential, the resources are available, the opportunity is there. What has been missing is your decision to go for it. Maybe this will help you frame the situation a lot better. The quantum leap is something you've been keeping from happening. It's not something you have to struggle to make happen. You don't really force it into existence. You just let it occur. The key is not to get in the way. The key is not to get in the way. It's my biggest struggle. I'm always getting in the way. A quantum leap is the unexpected that comes to you with sudden grace. You can open yourself to such a breakthrough. You can even invite it, but you can't make it happen by struggling harder or insisting on first developing a perfect plan. So in a way, it goes against all the normal things that we do when we want to go from A to B. Against all what most coaches will tell you. It's not about the strategy, like you have to work hard, you have to have a plan, you have to all have it figured out. It's none of those things. So I really recommend you guys to buy this little booklet and to buy it and to read it over and over and over again. It's not only golden, it's diamond. It is like once you start like living the way that this is written, that's when the miracles start happening. U2 is achieved through an intuitive, instinctive discovery process based on a sense of direction and pursuit. If you have the answers and structure and certainty up front, it's not a quantum leap. If you can figure it all out, if you already know what the outcome, it's not a quantum leap. It's just like a goal that you achieve, another thing that you can do. When you really want when you really figure out what you really want, usually it doesn't make sense. And if it makes sense, then you didn't think big enough. The formula does not involve getting everything neatly organized and all the risks eliminated before you make your move. There's an element of hip shooting involved here. Don't count on having all the procedures for the journey buttoned down before you begin the trip. Isn't it so that if you go on a journey, if you go on a trip, and you have everything figured out, and you're gonna go visit that city that day, and that city that day, and that city that day, it's not gonna be a bad vacation. You're gonna have a lot of fun, but you're going to be upset every time it's not going like planned. And it's like, but when you go on a trip and you allow everything to unfold, you will be surprised what you get to see on your road. And I know, because that is how I travel, and I am always amazed to see what's in front of me. You must be willing to tolerate ambiguity, confusion, possible even chaos for a while, shaping your plan as you go. Allow some disorder in your life. Allow some disorder in your life. For the micromanagers amongst us, not easy. If you get too concerned with the step-by-step plan of action to be followed, you'll find yourself brooding over the potential problems and roadblocks that could be encountered. For now, all you need is an aiming point and action. It doesn't say that you don't have to take action, but you have to take inspired action, action that comes from the gut, from your sixth sense. A quantum leap, by definition, means moving into uncharted territory with no guide to follow. You personally draw the map as you go. Look at it this way. You're not supposed to be concerned about what's happening in the middle of the jump. You're supposed to be thinking about where you're going to land. Isn't it amazing? Again, read it over and over again, because this is going to be the key for you to live the life of your dreams.